again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best bathtubs in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Number 10. ALFI brand AB110563 freestanding cedar wood bathtub. The ALFI freestanding cedar wood bathtub is another statement piece made of a very different material. This rustic tub is constructed of cedar wood and reinforced by 3 electroplated iron wraps painted black and gold for durability and style. Weighing 122 pounds, it isn't heavier or bulkier than the average tub, but it definitely has a huge wow factor that you won't find in the average acrylic bathtub. To ensure the wood is able to withstand the water usage of a bath, it is treated with a poly-type sealant to keep the wood protected from moisture. There is no overflow for this tub, and it holds 113 gallons of water and has a 24-inch soaking depth. Clearly, this is the deepest tub on the list, almost 9 inches deeper than the second deepest one, so it would offer a truly luxurious soak. ALFI includes 2 removable wooden seats for a couple's seated bathing. There is no warranty on the tub, though, and reviewers have said it is prone to cracking and leaking, which must be repaired with a polyurethane sealant. The ALFI freestanding cedar wood bathtub is another statement piece made of a very different material. This rustic tub is constructed of cedar wood and reinforced by 3 electroplated iron wraps painted black and gold for durability and style. Number 9. Syncology TBT 6631 CL Heisenberg handmade pure freestanding claw foot tub. A tub for the eye. This Heisenberg pure solid copper claw foot tub from Syncology is both stunning and functional. It is made by an expert craftsman and finished by hand, so each tub is as unique as the family it belongs to. It has a large soaking area, with 14-inch soaking depth and 48-gallon water capacity. There is no overflow with his copper tub, which may be a plus for those who want to fill the tub as full as possible, but could be a drawback for those families with children or forgetful adults. It has a limited lifetime warranty from Syncology. With only 3 5-star reviews, it has a 100+ approval rating on Amazon, making it the best copper bathtub review on the site. While a copper tub may not be for anyone, all can agree that it has both stunning and dramatic effect on the average bathroom. More consideration would need to be given to the design and decor of a bathroom, though, to show off this gorgeous tub fully. Number 8. Kohler K837-0 Bellwether 60 by 30 cast iron bath for homeowners wanting the ageless benefits of cast iron. Kohler offers the Bellwether 60-inch by the 30-inch rectangle tub. While the 310 pounds weight of this tub may require extra supports and consideration for your bathroom, its benefits are considered well worth it. First, the enamel coating on the cast iron is durable and easily cleaned, great for frequent use. It comes in 4 modern color choices: 2, white, biscuit, sandbar, and almond. It has a 32.6-gallon water capacity with 9-inch water depth. It also features a 14-inch step-over height, which is great for people who are bathing their children over the edge of the tub or those with decreased mobility. The tile flange of this Kohler tub keeps water from seeping behind the wall between the tile and tub, and the integral apron makes installation and repairs easy, all while hiding the bones of the tub from view. It has a slip-resistant floor to keep the users safe, plus a limited lifetime warranty. The very nature of cast iron ensures that the water temperature will stay nice and warm for a longer time of use. Number 7. Ferdwy 68-inch acrylic standalone bathtub. The last of the acrylic tub models, the Ferdwy freestanding soaking tub, is another choice for the modern bathroom look. Its curved design makes every bath experience comfortable and enjoyable, although some reviewers reported that its tapered shape makes it harder to stretch out than they expected. This standalone bathtub is made of acrylic reinforced with fiberglass, so it is easy to clean and durable. It offers adjustable leveling feet to make installation easier and weighs a light 90 pounds. It holds 66 gallons of water with a 14.4-inch soaking depth and is double-walled for maximum insulation. This Ferdwai tub comes with a 2-year warranty. Its lightweight and deep soaking depth make this tub both easy to install and to relax to use. Buyers liked it, giving it an impressive rating of 4.8 stars out of 5 on Amazon. With this Ferdwai freestanding bathtub, a new bathroom will be given an instant facelift. Number 6. Empava 67 Luxury Freestanding Acrylic Soaking SPA Tub. From Empava comes a freestanding, acrylic soaking tub for your modern, contemporary bathroom. With brushed nickel overflow and pop-up drain, this tub offers style and class and guaranteed to make any bathroom look great. It holds a little over 58 gallons of water and has a soaking depth of 13.5 inches. Its adjustable metal feet ensure a great install, even on an uneven floor. Reviewers noted that it lives up to its description of comfortably hosting 1 to 2 bathers at a time, a great choice for couples who want to enjoy a soak together with a more compact freestyle tub. It comes with a 1-year warranty, too. However, there is no tub filler included, so that increases the total cost a little bit as it must be purchased separately. Some reviewers also had trouble with the drain leaking and getting in touch with the company. According to the reviewers, this is a great tub for soaking and bathing. It was easy to install and looks great. Others mentioned that it offered a large soaking capacity in their smaller bathrooms. It has a high rating of 4.4 stars out of 5 stars on Amazon. Number 5. American Standard 2764014M202.011 Cadet Freestanding Tub. Another product made by a quality brand, this American Standard Cadet Freestanding Tub combines style with functionality. It is a freestanding tub with faucet included. Most freestanding styles require the purchase of the tub filler separately. It has a clean, contemporary look that works in a variety of bathroom styles, with a 58-gallon capacity and a soaking depth of 14.625 inches, these are great specs for a low-profile freestanding tub. The material is fiberglass reinforced high-gloss acrylic, which means it's easy to clean and able to hold up under frequent use. American Standard offers a limited lifetime warranty, which tells you how sure they are of the quality of their product. Reviewers raved about the tub, from its easy installation to its comfort. Due to the cons mentioned above, this great-looking bathtub only has a 3.9-star rating on Amazon. It hasn't stopped other reviewers from raving over tub, though, even sharing photos of their great-looking bathrooms. Number 4. Acti F210 Standing Acrylic Bathtub. The AKDY Freestanding Acrylic Bathtub is a 67-inch tub with style and comfort for the clean, modern bathroom look. It holds 65 gallons with a soaking depth of 13.5 inches. It is double-walled for warmth and insulation and has curved contours for a relaxing recline. Its adjustable feet allow for easy leveling on not-so-great bathroom floors. The acrylic is easy to clean and maintain, too, making it a great choice for a family tub. There is a 1-year warranty on parts from the company. Some reviewers reported problems with the drainage hosing that required more extensive plumbing help, while others mentioned that it was a smaller soaking space than they were expecting. Rated at an impressive 4.4 stars out of 5 on Amazon. Despite its limitations, this portable tub would be a welcome addition to any bathroom. Number 3. American Standard 2461.002.020 Cambridge 5 Feet Bathtub. The American Standard Cambridge 5 Feet Bathtub features the patented AmeriCast material. 50% lighter than cast iron, it is a composite material comprising 3 layers and covered in scratch-resistant enamel. It comes in 3 colors, bone, linen, and white, and has a water capacity of 60 gallons with a soaking depth of 14 inches. This ADA-compliant tub features anti-slipping matting and angled lumbar support with a beveled headrest for maximum soaking comfort. On the construction site, it features an integral apron for easy access to the inner working of the tub for repairs and maintenance, and also an integral tile flange to make the tiling of the wall perfectly meet the edge of the tub, keeping the wall dry. This highly rated tub in Amazon is an upgrade from the typical tub in most homes. It would be a great choice for a guest bathroom, a children's bathroom, or occasional soaking tub in the master bath. Its lightweight material makes it easy to transport and install. Number 2. Kingston Brass VTDE 603122R60 Contemporary Alcove Bathtub. The Kingston Brass 60-inch Contemporary Alcove Acrylic Tub is an alcove tub, which means it can be converted into a shower and tub, and has an integral apron to make install and repairs easier. The acrylic can stand up to the normal wear and tear of life in a family home. It is also easy to clean. This tub has a large capacity while fitting into the pre-existing tub space of most bathrooms. It can be ordered with either a left or right-handed drain, depending on the position of your drain hookups, and features 2 adjustable legs on the wall side of the tub to easily level it upon install. This tub is reinforced with fiberglass and a resin material for maximum heat retention without the heavy weight of a cast iron tub. This acrylic bathtub has a 63.5-gallon capacity and a soaking depth of 15.5 inches. It comes with a 10-year limited warranty to ensure you're completely happy with your new tub for a long time. Reviewers mentioned that the drain is elevated about 3 inches from the floor, which gives the tub a deeper appearance than it actually has, and can cause some extra work for installation, depending on your drain setup. Number 1. Woodbridge 67 Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub. Modern, elegant and functional, Woodbridge 67 is rated as one of the best free-floating acrylic tubs on Amazon. It holds 60 gallons of water and allows a soaking depth of 15 inches. It features a timeless brushed nickel integrated overflow and pushes the pop-up drain, which is pre-installed. The tub's hidden, adjustable legs ensure a stable install, even if your bathroom floor is slightly uneven. It comes with a full-year limited warranty from Woodbridge. Reviewers mentioned that the tub came well packaged from the seller. Some users had trouble with slow drainage or leaking around the drainage hookups, which many were able to fix on their own with a different hose. The Woodbridge 67 Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub is a great choice for both a complete bathroom remodel and the replacement of an existing tub because it fits perfectly into many pre-existing tub areas. If you're looking for an affordable soaking tub that combines style and comfort, this would be a great choice. Many reviews of this product included pictures of the tubs in their new homes, which fit well into existing tub spaces but added a big upgrade to the overall look and feel of the bathroom. With one of the higher depth measurements for soaking, it also uses less water than the average tub of its size, saving you money in the long run. It has a rating of 4.4 stars on Amazon out of a possible 5 stars.